Paul from Jaguar headlinings. We find a lot of customers get confused about the colour of their headlining. And I think this is because the headlining they might have in the car certainly change colour and sometimes dirty, and sometimes the headlining's already been recovered with cloth that was available at the time. They might not have been the right colour. But this is to be clear what we sell. We sell grey, beige and golden oatmeal. The grey is sometimes called Nimbus grey, the beige limestone beige, and the oatmeal is golden oatmeal. I think the confusion lies between golden oatmeal and the grey. Some people perceive the golden oatmeal to be grey, a light grey, but in actual fact it's more of a beige than a grey. Beige and grey were used on early models, Series 1, Series 2 and XJS and XJ40 models. Golden oatmeal and grey were used on X300, 308 and XKR models.